Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to Elden Ring. This is part 4. I think it's 4. Yeah, that's right. We went outside. We're still in this castle. We need to continue exploring. Oh god, that's one of those birds with the sword legs. Load him up. Oh, oh god. Okay. Whoa, whoa, you can carry. Whoa, what? No, that's cheating, bro. Oh. Oh, he blew himself up.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Alright, I'm gonna grab this one. Do not turn around. Got him!
Huh?
Ah! Oh no, no! Oh, no, we have to fight the birds again. Actually, we might be able to skip this whole section. I'm gonna try this. Alright, let's go down. There's something over there. I kind of want to get over there. What is that? Oh no, that's that thing from the start of the game. Oh no, we cannot fight him. No, no, you didn't see me. Oh crap. Alright. Oh, we can hide over here. Alright, get him. Get wrecked. Oh no. Oh no, there's that thing over there. Oh crap, we might have to fight this guy. Ow. Ow. Ah, you missed. Nice try. Okay, there's a thing here. Oh. I guess we can eat that later. I don't... Oh! No, you're not doing that. Oh, whoa. Oh, we might have to sneak past that thing. But I haven't found a checkpoint yet. I don't want that thing to see me, and I don't want to get wrecked. Huh? No, no, no. I'm gonna sprint. Run! Grab this. Oh, an axe. Okay, is that good? I don't know. Oh, okay, it just goes above. Oh. He wasn't even trying to scare me. He was just standing there. Okay, what is this? Okay, some arrows. There was a guy with a cannon aiming right at us. Oh, wow. We gotta have to sprint somewhere. Run! No, no, no. Okay, we're gonna go down here. Is that a giant rat? There's lots of them.
Oh my god, bro.
Ow! Alright, I think we have some of these we can use. Quick, 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 quick. Okay, that's okay, because now the door is open. Wow, look at all the chests in here. What's in it? Okay, that looks like it's important. I don't know what it is, but I'll take it. What's in this one? Oh, prayer book. Is that a weapon? I don't think so. Oh, we can summon our doggos. Oh, what the? Okay, bit of an interesting time to tell me that. Someone's shooting me. Damn, they're all just watching us. What does F do? Well, what was that I just did? Ah, is that our ability on our weapon, perhaps? I don't actually know. Oh no, I've only got one. Whoa, dude, put that down. Ow! Aha! We can open the gates like this. Open the gates!
Open the gates!
Whoa, 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 whoa! What? Oh, I forgot they respawn when you use them. Very funny, guys. Oh crap, I might have just screwed myself there. There's a lot of guys over there I can see. Oh, what is that? No, no, what is that? Oh, no, 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 no! What the hell is that? Oh no! Oh, he's got swords on his arm. Whoa, no, that's like a lion. I ain't messing with you, man. Oh no, he's too smart. What? There's no way. There's no way that actually just worked. Okay, we just sneak past those guys. And we escaped that lion thing. Oh god, I do not want to see him again. No! Okay, whew, I made it back into that courtyard thing that we were at earlier. I managed to run past all the explosives. Oh, no. That's cheating. Actually, I was kind of the one who was cheating, but anyway. Oh, I don't know if we can use that kind of shield though. Sneak past that guy. Oh, what is this? Summoning other players. Well, I'm not gonna worry about that. Ow. Oh, he looks different. He's got like a helmet on. What? Oh man, you're joking with that thing, man. Okay, let's see what this does then. Okay, good. Should be less dangerous up here, right? Right? What on earth are these? Are you friendly? No, of course not. There's nothing friendly in this game. Oh! So these statues, do I have to like examine these? I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. What is in here? Let me guess. Is it gonna be a boss fight? Oh. No, we can definitely not fight that.
Mighty dragon. Thou the true born heir.
Oh, I think he's sleeping or something.
Kindred. Deliver me unto greater heights.
Oh no.
I command thee. I am the Lord of all that is golden.
Can we leave, please? No. Alright, let's see how bad he is. Oh my god, he's gonna send me into orbit. I think we're gonna have to save him for another time. Alright, alright. I think I'll leave that one there. I know nothing much happened in this video. We kind of just explored the castle a little bit. But that's okay. I have an idea for the next video on what I should do next. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Drop a sub. I'll see you on the next video.